Hi guys, welcome to Karmakar's Kitchen with me Shruti Karmakar. Today I am going to share Homestyle Chicken Tikka Masala recipe. But before I begin, please subscribe my channel if you haven't done already and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Also, do not forget to like, share and comment. So to make chicken tikka masala, here I have got boneless chicken about 300 grams cut in small chunks, and it is thoroughly washed and cleaned. So the first step is to marinate the chicken, for which I am adding vinegar about 1 teaspoon. You can replace vinegar with lime juice, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, plain yogurt about 4 tablespoons, and finally cooking oil, which is refined oil, about 2 tablespoons. Now mix everything very nicely. Coat the masala evenly. Now it's time to cover and keep aside or refrigerate for an hour. It's been an hour, the chicken is marinating. Now it's time to frying them. So heat up a pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined oil in it. Make it nice and hot. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken pieces. Fry the chicken on both sides until it turns brown. It should take idly 8 to 10 minutes to fry each sides. It should be cooked properly, so keep the flame between low to medium. Chicken has turned nice and brown. Now remove it from the pan and keep it aside. Now the next step is to prepare gravy for the chicken tikka. So in the same pan, add cooking oil about 1/4 of a cup and make it nice and hot. Once the oil is hot, add chopped onions. Here I have used 2 medium-sized onions. Fry until it turns golden brown. Once the onions turn nice golden brown, add ginger garlic paste about 2 teaspoons. Fry until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. Once this is sauteed nicely, we are going to add some powdered spices like coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, and garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Roast the spices very nicely. Masala is drying out, so I'm gonna add tomato paste about 4 tablespoons. You can add tomato puree instead. In that case, add about 1 cup of tomato puree. Masala looks quite thick, so I'm adding a little bit of water. I'm using the same bowl I use for tomato paste. So a little bit of water and add water according to your gravy requirement. Like here I'm adding more water for the gravy. So in total I have added about 1 cup of water. Let it cook for a while, then add salt to taste and mix it nicely. Now it's time to add my favorite herb, which is dry fenugreek leaf, also known as kasuri methi. Add a generous amount of it. It's gonna be fatty because I'm going to add fresh cream about 1/4 of a cup. This will make the gravy silky and creamy. Now I'm adding sugar just to balance the taste. This is optional. Finally add the chicken pieces and mix it very nicely. Chicken tikka masala is so easy to make with one pan and some simple ingredients. You will love it for sure. Sprinkle some chopped cilantro and mix it well. This flavor-packed, creamiest curry goes well with basmati rice, naan or lachha paratha. Check out the recipe of lachha paratha in the description box below. Our chicken tikka masala is ready. Turn off the heat and give it a standing time of 2 to 3 minutes before serving. Serve hot with basmati rice, lachha paratha or naan. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give it a like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you next week with a new recipe. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.